Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to manage customer data on Shopify. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you log it into your account. Then, from the bottom left corner, click on Settings. Now, click on Customer Accounts. Here, you'll need to choose which type of customer account you want to use, either the new customer accounts or the legacy version. Select the one that works best for your store. Then, in the Customer Account Options section, you'll see features like self-serve returns and store credit. Turn the toggles on if you want customer to use these features by themselves. Next, scroll down to the URL section and copy the customer account login link. You can use the link in emails or buttons on your website so customers can easily sign in. Now, if you selected legacy customer accounts, you'll see more options like branding, sign in with shop, or using a custom login URL. Click on Customize to adjust how the login or account page looks. You can change colors, layout, and text to match your brand. Once you're done customizing, save the changes. And that's it. You've now managed your customer data settings on Shopify and can give your customer a better account experience. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.